we have given that R is false statement. So let me write this. R is false. And what we can say about this compound statement? We have in parentheses P or Q, and we have and R. Because we have here symbol and, it means we have conjunction, and we know that conjunction statement to be true is it necessary that all of components of the statement be true. Because R is false, it means that this whole compound statement is false. It doesn't matter what we have in parentheses. So this is false. Why? Because R, the simple statement, is false, and we have here conjunction, and conjunction to be true, it is necessary that all of the components of the statement are true. This is my solution.